In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of all devices on Perplexity AI. If you ever use Perplexity on multiple devices, a work laptop, a shared tablet, or a browser you don't fully trust, signing out everywhere is a fast way to secure your account. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step, with a few tips to make the process smooth. First, open your Perplexity account. That simply means launch the Perplexity app or go to the Perplexity website and make sure you're viewing your own account area. Give the page a second to load so your profile and settings are available. If you're on a mobile device, the layout might be compact, but you're still in the right place as long as you're in your account. Next, click Account. You'll usually find this by selecting your profile icon, which may appear as your photo or initials, typically in the top corner. Tapping that reveals your account menu. This is where security and session options live. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the account section rather than general app navigation, because the sign-out controls are specific to your user profile. Then click Sign Out All Sessions. The wording may appear as sign out of all devices or similar, but the idea is the same. It ends every active login tied to your account, across browsers and apps. After you click, you may be asked to confirm. Approve the prompt, and Perplexity will immediately revoke access on other devices. Keep in mind, this will also sign you out on the device you're using right now, so be ready to log back in the next time you open Perplexity. This action is about security. It does not remove your account or content. It simply closes active sessions, which is ideal if you used a public computer, lost a device, or want a clean slate. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Before you sign out everywhere, finish any in-progress work so you don't lose your place. After the global sign-out, use your usual sign-in method the next time you return. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked for a verification code when you log back in, so have that ready. If you don't immediately see the option, check that your app or browser is up to date. Interface labels can change slightly over time. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, click Account, and click Sign Out All Sessions. Simple, secure, and fast.